carpet mat. AOL to 1625 series cutting machine. The whole machine is 3640mm long * 3280mm wide * 1220mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 160 cm wide and 250 cm long. The weight is 1100 kilograms and has standard 8-zone vacuum absorption. You can also choose 12/16 zone absorption. It should be noted that the standard configuration does not include a desktop computer because ordinary computers can do the work. There are many types of carpet mats. The recommended tool combination is a combination of a circular knife and oscillation knife. It can handle carpet mats of various materials. It can cut special shaped patterns. Another point is that AOL will configure it according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. For all the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions, please contact AOL for more details.